Want headers that build instant trust and drive more sales? Welcome to another Foxify tutorial by FoxEcom. Today you'll master Foxify's layout templates to create professional headers and footers that convert in minutes and without code. Let's dive in. From Foxify dashboard, open any template to add, edit, or view your layout templates. Click on Layout Manager, then select Create New Layout. Give your layout a name that's easy to recognize, like header and footer, especially helpful if you're managing multiple versions. Let's start with the header first. Click Add Section and choose Header. You'll see a list of header template appear. You can choose one of Foxify's pre-designed header templates. These are beautifully crafted and easy to customize or create your own header. Alright, now just select the menu for the navigation. After that, switch over to tablet and mobile views to check out how it looks. Now, let's build your footer. This time, we'll speed things up using FoxTransfer. FoxTransfer is a handy Chrome extension that lets you copy sections from one template to another, even across different stores. To use it, please open the Chrome extension and log in using your Foxify API key. Navigate to a store or template that has a footer you like. Then, open FoxTransfer and select the element. Click to copy it. Finally, head back to your Foxify layout, right-click where you want to paste the footer, and hit Paste from FoxTransfer or use the keyboard shortcut CMD-V for Mac or Ctrl-V for Windows. Before you're done, don't forget to check your header and footer on mobile and tablet views. Just switch between device previews inside the Foxify editor to make sure everything looks great and functions smoothly across all screen sizes. Once both your header and footer are in place and fully customized, it's time to save your layout. Click Save, then hit Publish when you're ready to go live. It's time to assign your layout to a template so it's actually visible on your storefront. Go back to your templates, select the one you want to add header and footer. Open the Publish settings, choose the layout template you've created. Under Page Layout, choose Blank Layout. This tells Foxify to use your custom layouts header and footer for the page, instead of the default ones from your theme. You can use one header and footer layout and assign it to all your templates. This keeps your store looking consistent across every page. Or if you want to customize the experience for different parts of your site, you can create separate layouts for each template. Now that everything's set up, preview your store. You should see your new custom header and footer in place, fully functional, mobile-friendly, and totally on-brand. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, drop a comment below if you have questions, and subscribe to the channel for more smart Shopify tutorials from FoxEcom. Thanks for watching.